Hello friends, today we will see how to handle updates using Spark-sql. Okay, for that we will try to create a parallelized sequence collection, and out of that we will try to create a data frame, and from data frame we will try to create the temp views, and from temp views we will try to see how to handle updates using Spark-sql. Okay, we will see that into practical now. Right now we are in IntelliJ IDE. We'll try to create a Scala object. Let's say incremental dates. Okay, we'll define the main method. Now we'll try to create the necessary libraries. Dot Apache dot Spark dot SQL dot Spark session. Spark session is a entry point for the main program, and we'll try to create. We'll try to initialize the Spark session. Spark session dot dot open. We'll say some updates. Say master local dot get or create. Okay, now we'll try to create a sequence. Well, let's say data equal, we'll try to take some customer order related info, and then we'll try to create a data frame out of it. Okay, well, data equal to sequence of, we'll say we'll try to take first order number, then we'll try to take customer id, let's say 1, then we'll try to take the quantity, and then we'll try to take the cost, let's say $15, then we'll try to take order date 3/1/2020, let's say. Now let's try to take the last updated date 3/1/2020. Okay, we'll try to create another record, let's say 002. Okay, so hence we are creating this another one 002, let's say u2 quantity, let's say 1, let's say $30 cost, and order date, let's say 4/1/2020, let's say last updated date is 4/1 same 2020. Okay, we'll close the parallelized collection. Now we'll try to say, let's say, well, rtt1 equal to spark dot context dot parallelize of data. Okay, now we'll try to focus on cursor here. Now it's rtt. Okay, now we'll try to convert this into df. Okay, well, df from rdd1, let's say rdd1 dot 2. Okay, so in order to access this 2df, let's try to import spark dot implicits. Now rtt1 dot 2df, let's say as discussed, it's a first record is order number, then customer ID, next which we have taken quantity, next which we have taken cost, next we have taken order date, next up we have taken last updated date. Okay, now we'll try to see the sample data which we created. Df from rdd1 dot show. Okay, let's run and see. Code is successfully executed and we are created order number, customer ID, quantity, cost, order date, and last updated date. Okay, now we'll try to create another sequence. Okay, because we would like to handle the updates. Let's say here I am taking data 1. Okay, now here let me try to take 002 and u2, say quantity 1 same, let's say $20, let's say for 1, let's say for 2. Okay, now here we'll try to say 3, we'll try to take u3, and here we will try to take 2, we'll try to take here it is, let's say 70, then we'll try to see here 6 3 2020, and then 6 3 2020. Okay, now we'll try to see data 1. Okay, now dd2 dot here we'll try to say dd2. Now we'll try to take here 2, we'll try to take here 2. Okay, now we'll try to see the dd1 and then dd2. Okay, see, if you look at it, df2 here it is there, and then the df1 is here. Okay, our target is now, for example, let's say for 002 for order date is this, last updated date is 41 is here, and if we look at the second record for 002 order date is 41 and last updated date is 42. Okay, now we have to update, in order to get the latest update we need to see 002 as a 42 as last updated, and 03 will be the new one. Okay, now okay, as discussed we have created the parallel sequence connection, and then we created out of that as a data frame. Now we will try to create temp view out of the data frame. Okay, df from rdt1 dot create array plus temp view. Let's say first one is orders. Now 2 dot plus temp view, let's say order updates. second one is auto updates, let's say. Okay, now we will try to enable the Spark SQL in order to update the second record 002 and then new record 003 should be inserted. Let's try to create, let's say, order reconcile df, okay, equal to, let's say, spark.sql. Okay, now we will select star from orders union, let's say, union of, select star from order underscore updates. Okay, now this should be closing, right? Before this, okay, what we are taken, so both we are doing union, right? Now we'll just try to access df dot show. Now we'll try to run and see what this is going to do. See, code is executed and it has taken 002, all the records it is given. Okay, that is neat. Now our target is to display the updated last updated date, okay, as well as the new record should be inserted. Okay, for that, what we will try to say, select, let's say, some alias, what, order, or else let's say union dot star, okay, from, let's say, select star from orders, let's say x. Select star from order updates, let's take y. Okay, some alias will give, and then we'll try to close this, let's say union. Okay, let's see, then we will join. Now we will try to take order number, comma, let's try to take the max of last updated, what we can say, date. We have taken last updated date. Okay, now we'll try to take this as max date. Okay, from, okay, now we'll try to open select star from orders, then union all, again select star from order underscore updates. Okay, now we'll try to close it, take some alias as t. Now we'll say group by order number. Okay, let's say grouped, let's say some alias as grouped, say on, let's say union dot order number equal to group dot order number, and union dot last updated date, and from group dot max date which we have taken. Okay, now I have closed it, right? The reconcile df. Okay, so now we'll try to run and see what outcome we are going to get it, and we'll try to dig that explanation. Okay, see, now if we can able to see, we are getting the second record. Initially it was 4.1, now it was updated as 4.2. Okay, from the second df, and the third record is newly inserted and it is inserted as it is. If we go to top and see here the second data frame the second record is last updated date is 4.2. Okay, if we look at it, the initially the first data frame has 4.1 is the last updated date. Okay, and we are updating as 4.1 is the second data frame updated record as 4.2. So it is updated successfully 4.2 and it is inserted the newly newly coming record. So this is how we can handle the updates as well as the inserts. Okay, now let's try to discuss what we are trying to do here. Okay, what as discussed, we have taken the parallelized sequence of collection and we are doing the parallelized that connection into RDD. Then from there we are creating the data frame and we are defining the schema names, and then we are taking the another sequence of data as updated data into the second data frame and we are defining the schema, and then we are creating temporary view for the existing data frame, and then we are creating a SQL query to handle the updates from the second df. What we are doing it here, we are taking the two tables, okay, which we have created orders followed by the order updates. Okay, and then we are giving some alias name. Okay, because we are selecting, because out of the subquery we are trying to select all the columns, right? So to do that we are taking some alias name, using that by denoting the dot star we are taking all the columns, and then because we are going to join the second df based on the order number followed by the max date, we would like to join it. For that we are taking for all the subquery data into union, and then we are joining it, and the second df we are selecting order number, and we are taking the max last updated date. Okay, and then from the same orders. Okay, and from the these two tables, and we are giving some alias as t, and we are doing the group by order number. We are basically grouping based on the order number, and then giving the complete main alias name. Okay, as a group for the whole. And on we are creating the first df order number equal to second one grouped, second all the second queries order number followed by last updated followed by the max date. Okay, this is one joint and this is another joint, so we are just combining for the both dfs. Okay, and then finally we are looking at the data. Okay, so this is how we can get the latest insights as well as the updated, guys. So I hope you understand this. If you didn't get, again you try to watch again and again. Hopefully you will get a sense. If still if you have any confusions, try to put the comment. I will try to give my best. Okay, that's all for today's, guys. If you really like this video, please do subscribe, like and share, and also give your comment. Okay, that's all for today, guys.